So when you come to our system, we have 4 main modes we run our courses. We have the Saturday STEM session, where every Saturday from 9 to 1 p.m. we have training sessions for children like you who come around. They come here, this vicinity and this office. So we do coding, we do STEM science, website development, Arduino. Who has heard of Arduino? Arduino, yeah. Okay. We do Arduino, we do IoT courses too on Saturday. So far we have about 4 centers in Accra. We have one in Kumasi. We have an office in Kumasi too. Yes, so far on Saturdays in Accra we have 4 offices. We have one in Oyarifa, we have Awushi, we have here, and we have the Legon Center. So every Saturday, any of these places you can. When you go, you can speak to Daddy, Mommy, your guardian.
Is that okay? So basically, I'll take you through the models that we run here. He has mentioned almost all of them. Is that okay? And then we'll have a field. So I learned you guys are already into STEM. Very good. So now we have models around this same scope or STEM. So now we have the technology that has to do with coding.
My name is Tagoe and I'm in grade 7. I've learned a lot of things and I've learned how to make a traffic light. And being in Asustem Robotics is fun. I've experienced a lot of things. Thanks.
Okay, so my name is Tagoe. I'm the project implementation manager. So children from Special Grace Academy came here to have an experiential learning, a short one, of what we do at Asustem Robotics Academy.
Ahiable, the training manager at Asustem Robotics. And Asustem basically is more about introducing young ones in tech skills. So we have robotics, coding, and then more of Arduino, that is basically the IoT project. And then we were privileged to have a school with us today where I introduced them to coding and then robotics, and then they did a tiny project about the simulation of traffic lights where they were able to even write their own program. Thank you.